but Gaurav Gogoi, you respond to that. The basic point I think the BJP and Gaurav Bhatia are making, that when the Supreme Court goes against the Congress, you say democracy khatre mein hai, democracy is in a crisis. Now when you get a verdict in your favor, you say democracy is alive and kicking. Can't have double standards is what the BJP says.
Rajdeep, I want to make three short points. First, the Supreme Court took a wonderful step in preventing a bad precedent from being established. What is that precedent? That if the BJP party does not like a particular opposition leader, then they would get its party workers to put a defamation case, and they would put the maximum penalty of 2 years, which has never happened before. Now, today it could be a political leader. Tomorrow it could be you, Rajdeep. Many people in the BJP IT cell do not like you. So today, if it could happen to Rahul Gandhi, if this precedent had been established, tomorrow it could have happened against a journalist. BJP would get its party workers to file defamation suits against NGOs, against civil society activists, against students, against farmers. So we applaud the Supreme Court from preventing this massive injustice to democracy. My second point is, this was bound to happen. I think the BJP shot itself in its foot when they pursued this case after Rahul Gandhi made his speech in Parliament earlier this year, exposing how Gautam Adani, an industrialist, has benefited from his proximity to Prime Minister Modi. This was bound to happen. And in the end, they have given Rahul Gandhi an elevated platform. And next week, God willing, if the Speaker allows, when Rahul Gandhi makes his intervention in the vote of no confidence, he would be speaking from a much bigger pulpit, and his
are you telling me already? Are you giving me me some breaking news that Rahul Gandhi is going to speak in that vote of no confidence if he's reinstated? Are you saying he will speak?
If the Speaker is as quick in reinstating the membership of Lok Sabha member Rahul Gandhi as his secretariat was when they dismissed him, then I do expect to see Rahul Gandhi be in Parliament by Tuesday. Okay. And by Wednesday, on the 9th, he could be expected to speak on the vote of no confidence, or even on the 10th.
Okay, that's one part. You had a
third point, Rahul.
Yeah, you had a third point.
Rajdeep,
yes.
That Rahul, that Rahul Gandhi ji has been extremely dignified in these past 3 months. He vacated his bungalow with dignity. He stuck to his stand. He stuck to his principle. He did not apologize or retract his statement. And at the same time, he went on serving the people of India in the manner that he knows best, by reaching out to them, be it in the Azadpur Mandi, be it in the shop of an automobile repairman, or sitting with a truck driver in India or outside.
But the BJP,
so I think
you haven't answered the question. But the BJP says double standards.
Victory,
but the BJP says double standards, Mr. Gogoi. The BJP is saying that when the courts give you verdicts that don't go in your favor, you question their motives. When you get a verdict in your favor, you seem satisfied that democracy is kicking.
Well, Rajdeep, Gaurav, my esteemed friend from the BJP, should not quote the Supreme Court judgment selectively. What did the Supreme Court say on the judgment passed by the trial court and the appellate court? It said, roughly, that in such a long document, in a voluminous document, both by the trial court and the appellate court, nowhere have they mentioned why was the maximum penalty of 2 years justified. If the penalty had been just 1 day shorter, Rahul Gandhi would have continued to be a member of Parliament. It is the fact that it is not 1 day shorter, but the entire 2 years that disqualified him from Parliament under the Representation of
So the Congress maintained...
This is the Supreme Court observation.
So you maintain that the courts were used to fix Rahul Gandhi. Is the Congress sticking to that allegation? that lower courts were used to fix Rahul Gandhi?
I stand by the Supreme Court judgment, who themselves could not find the justification for the 2-year penalty. Rajdeep, as a journalist, there might have been numerous defamation cases slapped on you and your colleagues. You tell me which journalist you know has had to face the penalty of maximum 2 years in a defamation case. Surely you would know as a journalist.